Ultra Internet Speed Cat8 Precision Twisted SFTP Ethernet cable operates at a frequency of 2 GHz, 2000 MHz, which enables higher bandwidth and requires shielding and is regarded as a new option for emerging 25G-T and 40G-T networks. Universal Compatibility Cat8 patch cable is fully backward compatible with all the previous Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a and Cat7, RJ45 cabling and equipment. And RJ45 network cable is faster than Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6 patch cords. You will have an better experience in using Dacrown Cat8 fast-speed Ethernet cord. Faster data transmission rate. Dacrown UL-rated Cat8 cable is designed to support 25G-T and 40G-T applications. It is suitable for small or middle enterprise LANs, especially for data center switch-to-server interconnections. With Dacrown's sturdy high-speed network cable, you will not experience a lag or stop on transferring data. Upgraded structure constructed with gold-plated RJ45 connector make it perfect and more secure for servers, TV box, laptop, PC, printer, networking switch, routers, ADSL, adapters, hubs, modems, PS3, PS4, Xbox, patch panels and other high-performance networking applications. Weatherproof UV-resistant Dacrown Cat8 LAN cable is well constructed with pure copper core, aluminium foil shield, woven mesh shield, PVC outer cover and 2 gold plate RJ45 connector. With the high-quality structure, Dacrown Cat8 patch cable is more durable flexible for heavy-duty work. And Cat8 solid computer internet cable is suitable for both outdoor and indoor use because of good water resistance anti-corrosion function. Top reviews from the United States. Stunned and impressed. I ran the internet speed test right away. That's when I saw the proof 22 times faster simply by changing that cable from a Cat5 to a Cat8.